How to add friends on StarMaker Karaoke app. So if you want to add friends on your StarMaker Karaoke app, then first of all, open up your StarMaker application. And once you've opened, now you can go for Get Started, which is on the bottom right. And then you can log into your account. And once you're logged into your account, now you can go for Me, which is on the bottom right. And then you can go for the Add Contact or Add Friend option, which is on the upper right on the second. Tap on that. And here you can tap on Find Nearby Friends. And here you can find your Facebook friends, or you can go for your contact friends, or you can invite friends, or you can connect with more friends. So here you can simply tap on the plus icon, which is on the right side of the person's profile, to add them as a friend. Or you can go for Facebook friends, and then you can connect with your Facebook so that you can find your Facebook friends here, and then you can add them as your friend. But if you don't want to allow that, you can tap on Don't Allow, and then you can simply choose these persons which you have here. You can tap on the plus, which is on the right side, and you follow them. Or you can also go for Contact Friends, and here you can tap on OK and then Allow, and here you will have all of your friends. So you can simply tap on Invite, which is on the right side, and once you tap on Invite, now you can tap on the arrow, which is on the bottom right, and send that. And once they tap on this link, they will be taken to the StarMaker application and they can be friends with you. So this is the another way. So that's it. That's how you make friends on StarMaker, or that's how you add friends on StarMaker. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.